This is the end of Scott's lake. They own the lake.
They own the lake.
So
Ayan.
that's the
The
spillway down there.
Spillway?
Yeah, where the
Yeah.
water from the lake
Okay, I see.
spills into that creek.
I can see
Yeah.
it down there.
I see water.
There's fish in there too. He
Oh yeah?
stuck a pole
Tilapia.
down
I don't think there's tilapia here.
there. Carp bass.
Yeah.
I bet if you put tilapia in there, well,
That's our
Oh,
house
yeah,
right
they-
there. You can barely see it because we're so wooded.
oh,
See where the green shack is?
yeah, I can see it from here.
That's the nice one over there, the green one.
That's pretty big lake.
Yeah. Yeah, you're only seeing a chunk of it from our house.
But if you cut the trees in front of the house, and they'll have a nice view.
You can go around, I guess.
Let's walk here tomorrow morning, honey. Can. Yeah.
Here it is, the Alabama jungle.
They own jungle.
They have their own jungle.
Wait till
Scott
you hear it.
and
Wait till you-
Tian own jungle.
You wait till you hear it out here tonight.
You hear
Whole
critters or
jungle comes
creatures?
alive.
Oh yeah?
Oh, the thing that you hear when you go camping.
Uh-huh.
So this is where you're supposed to sign in for hunting right here.
Oh.
And then you put a pin where you're supposed to be hunting it. This is our community bird pile right here. You're supposed to bring your bigger branches and stuff like that.
So you can bring it here and then burn it? Wow. So it goes there.
There's different trails to go down.
Actually, the majority of
So
the
can
stuff
you
on
walk
top is all
here?
ours.
Like go
Yeah,
walking?
you can walk if you want. You can walk if you want side by side.
I'd rather walk. We needed it.
Well,
Um,
if we can
Kaya.
ride your thing and you get lost.
I think it'll end up in the same way, right?
Yeah.
No, I'm turning.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought we were gonna climb up there.
I'm going to experience now Scott's four-wheeling.
There's a gate there. We are now four-wheeling. Climb it.
Scott is taking us to the inner jungle. Look for deer and some.
Can't go up there.
And we are lost already. We're in Jurassic Park.
Hindi masyadong
I wonder what he's planning there.
He said lettuce and whatever else the
lettuce.
deer will want to eat.
Oh.
He doesn't like how the hunters that live here, he doesn't like how they bait the animals in. So
Mm.
he's planting food up here for the deer so they
Uh-huh.
come here
Mm.
instead of going to their feeders.
He's basically out here living in that.
Yeah,
That's not the hunters, the local Alabama. He's actually my favorite.
He's so he invites it that way. Going downhill.
you should use your tripod.
I know.